Good day. This is our OOP Prelim project about PetShop program. So first, we will discuss the Pet.java. It will be discussed by Jimwell Gumapon.
Good day, I am Jimwell Gumapon and I am here to discuss the Java objects and default constructors. First is Java object. Java objects hold and state. State are variables which are saved together within an object. We call them fields or member variables. In the pet class, we declare 6 strings and 1 integers. The strings holds character values and integers holds numeric values, which are the object class in the program. Default constructors, constructors that has no parameters. When you run a program, the Java compiler will insert a default result. When the program runs, the string object inserts a null, and for integer, the result will be 0. The next presenter will be Azansa, multi like, overloading constructor.
Hi, I am Jhonrey Azansa. Discuss for constructor overloading multiple constructor for Java class. So, constructor overloading refers to the present of numerous constructor in a Java class. A class can have multiple constructor as long as their signature are not the same. This front of field name, this dot pet equal pet, this dot name equal name, this dot bread equal bread, this dot color equal color. Just a signal to be compiler that is field pet name breed and colors that is being prepared to. Next presentation is Kate Bicaldo at explanation for overloading constructor.
Good day, I am April Kate Bicaldo. In this part, the class will display the user's inputted data of his pet, if it is a dog or a cat, and then the name of the pet, the pet's breed, the pet's color, if it is gray, brown, cream, black, and then the age of the user's pet. This will only compile the pet, if it's a dog or a cat, its name, breed, color, and age. When the user chose to continue, the program will ask the pet's sex, if it is a male or a female, and then the compiler will display the pet, if it's a dog or a cat, and then the pet's name, breed, color, age, and sex. The next presenter will be Leonida.
My name is Cristian Leonida, and this is the pet method of class. So this is the show details. System out print. The name of the pet is, then this name, selection of name, then system out print. What pet is it? Is it a dog or a cat? So system out print. What breed of dog or cat is it? Then what color? Then age of the pet. Then sex of the pet with either male or female. Then finally master's name or the owner's name. So now for the main.java, Mr. Escalona.
So next is main.java, usually presented by Mr. Ulrico Escalona.
Good day, everyone. So here in line 12 in pet.java, it is displayed the sign welcome please enter the following description of you want to buy. And in line 13, the program will ask the user that if it want to exit the program. So here in line 15, the program asks the user the name of the pet and the name that input by user will go there in line 16, where the name of the pet will be stored in the string.name. And in line 20, the program will ask the user what the user want, a dog or cat. So whatever the user choose, the string will store in the line 21, string pet. So here in line 22, instantiation. So the main object or the object is main pet. And in the line 26, the details that been input by the user will be ready to print. After, it will show in the line 28 to line 30, the program will just ask the user if the user want to continue or exit. If the user type the word exit, and it will exit. If continue, then the program will continue. And the next presenter is Jerald Bautista.
Hi, my name is Jerald Bautista. In line 20, in line number 42, system out.print. Please enter if you want to. The system will, in line 34, system out.print. Please choose what breed. And the user choose what the name of type pet. So the user choose from if you want to continue or exit. If the user choose exit, the, the program will display thank you.
Good day, I'm Merwin Ricafort, and I'm discussing the Pet2 and Pet3 objects of the main class. So first is the read line that asks the user to enter a color. It must be a string data type. Then next is the instantiation of Pet2, which have new pet parameterized constructor, which includes the name, pet, breed, and color. Next is the pet2 that show details method that will call the variable values from the pet class. So next is the input that read line to continue. The user must click enter to continue in fill up. If he or she doesn't want to continue, type the word exit. Next is the read line asking the user to enter the desired age of his or her pet. Next is the instantiation of pet3 which have new pet parameterized constructor which includes the name, pet, breed, color, and age. Next is the pet3 that show details method that will call the variable values from the pet class. Next is the input that read line that asks the user if he or she want to continue to fill up. If he wants to continue, press enter. If not, type exit. So the next presenter is Michael Nielles.
Good day, this is Nielles, Michael. In line 79, we use the if statement to execute the program once the user type exit. Once the user type exit, the word thank you will appear. And in the line 84, um, system.out.print, it asks please enter if you want male or female. And in line 88, we use new pet, sample new pet, breed, color, age, and sex. And in line 93, that is where the value will enter. It will place in the main Java so that it can easily display what is value in place. And in line 93, when you do not exit, you will be pleased to enter. In line 100, when you do not exit, you will be pleased to enter your name. Example, my name, Michael. And in line 104, pet 5, if you compare only the owner's name was added, the output will be example, name, the name of the dog, Labrador, black, 7, or male, and male. That's it.
After explaining our program codes, we are going to run the program using the main.java. So the user will enter the description of his or her pet in the console. First is the please enter the name of the pet. So we will enter the name Hugo. Then after that, another console read line that asks you if you want a cat or a dog. So we will enter a dog in the read line. Then it will appear to your screen the descriptions of your pet. You will just enter the descriptions needed. Every console line you must click enter and continue to fill up. So the breed we will enter as pig. Next, to the color of the dog, we will select black color. Next, to the age of the pet, I will enter 1 year. So next is the sex of the dog, either male or female. I will enter male. Then last, we will enter the owner's name. So I will enter the name Timothy. Then this is our final output of the PetShop console program. So this is our project, uh, Prelim project about PetShop. So thank you for watching and God bless.